What is your name? Ito na naman tayo sa what is your name. My name is Mama Mia. Ay, hindi pwede mag-space. Okay, yan na lang. What are you like? Ano to? Uy, beauty! Ang taray naman ng beauty. You fundamentally understand and embody beauty. Your fashion and form is bleeding edge. You turn heads whenever you go. Ano kasi ako? Galaw-gaw kasi ako. Kaya talaga ang tinitignan ako. Nakakahiya din ako minsan kasama eh. Baka hindi naman sa beauty. Ano tong charm? Your words ease, invite, and delight. Strangers and friends alike seek your company above others. Uy, sana all ganito ako. Sana all ganito ako, hinahanap nila. May charm ako, charm. You see plainly what others fail to notice. Lies, secrets, obscure, and opaque gestures, all rendered crystal clear to your perception. Labo mata ko eh, paano ba to? Wait lang. Minsan may ganito ako. Minsan, wala, bulag ako, wait. You move with ease and style, clever with eye and hand, no gesture is beyond your reach. Ay, hindi. Wala akong grace. Spark. You let intuition light the way, inspiration arrives from unlikely channels. When the muse speaks, you listen. Baka ito ako. Ay, salamat. May nahanap din ako. Might. You are strong, fundamentally sound, at ease with your prowess. Where others tremble beneath a burden, you shoulder it without a second thought. Oy! Ano ba tayo? Groot? Hindi, ito ako. Isa ako nito. Ano to? Isa akong spark. Yes, lakas maka Jordan Spark. Isa akong spark. Hindi ko alam ko, hindi ako beauty, excuse me. I would like to think I have charm. Gleam. Delikado kasi bulag tayo. Wala akong grace. Kasasabi ko lang kaninang galaw-gaw ako. You are strong. O sige, pwede na rin I am strong. I am strong. Shoulders. Ganon. Sabi dito, ano ba to? Fundamentally sound? Ano yung fundamentally sound? Parang matunog ka ba? At ease with your prowess. Sige na nga. At ease. O, ito na lang ako. Start. Start to! Oh, gosh.